Hello guys, today we are going to SIM bypass iPhone 8 Plus with LPro Hello Activator. So for that we have to first look at, guys, this is the problem, so we have to solve that. So first we would plug in the USB to iPhone from computer, and then we have to open the tool, which is LPro Hello Activator. So guys, it's loading. First we have to wait for that. Look at, guys, we have to click on the activate device option. We have to wait for that. It's loading, so wait, guys. Look at, guys, the iPhone is restarted automatically, so we have to wait for that. Wait, guys, wait. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, the phone has turned on, so we have to set up the settings as usual in order to fully use the phone. Click on continue, set up touch ID later. You can skip this option too as you wish. So we have to set up these settings. Wait, guys, it's loading. You can set up the settings as according to your wish. So we have to wait for that, guys. Continue. Look at, guys, congratulations, the problem has been solved. You can use your iPhone normally. So stay tuned for future updates. If you have any query, you can comment on the comment section. So thank you for watching.